to administer epinephrine 0.08 mics per kg per minute, and we have a weight 75 kg and concentration is 200 mics per ml. So let's start how we can set this value in B. Braun syringe pump. When you turn on the B. Braun syringe pump, a menu will appear. So scroll down and go to special function, dose rate calculation. Here your concentration is mics per ml, so select the option mics per ml, press OK. Concentration is our 200 mics. 200 mics, it is also mentioned at below 200 mics, press OK. So 200 mics in how many ml? 1 ml. So here always mention 1 because concentration always present in 1 ml. Now you can see concentration 200 mics per ml, press OK. So we need weight, select weight, and weight is 75 kg. After selecting weight, you have to select the unit. So unit is mics per kg per minute, press OK. Dose is 0.08. Now press OK. So it is a final review. Dose 0.08 mics per kg per minute ordered by doctor. Concentration 200 mics per ml and patient weight is 75 kg. And if you want to start, so press the button start which is appear on here, press start. So complete information appear on B. Braun 0.08 mics per kg per minute with concentration 200 mics per ml with weight 75 kg and 1.8 ml is administered per hour.